On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy now, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
That's good YouTube gang, it's a word John Bisco. I'm back when I hit down smash out. People, you already know what time it is. Yeah man, people friends from the title, this is what we're dealing with today. Today I'm there with our artists. Two artists that's no stranger to the channel. Before we even jump into it guys, please take the time to go ahead and like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload it. The likes really help with the YouTube algorithm guys, really help get me the algorithm, help push my videos out there and help my channel grow. So I really appreciate if you got a like on it, really helps me out. Okay. So yeah guys, anything on title you see what we're doing today. Yeah man, we have a banger from two artists, no stranger to the channel. This is Skeng and Govana, entitled Gvnman Spaniard. Yeah man, Gvnman Spaniard, you already know what time it is. From that title you're trying to get our kind of idea from the song. You don't know. Spain man, talk about gun things, badness, you know what I'm saying? Get the gist of it, we can see, whoever see exactly what's going on, the exact gist of it, you know what the song entails, but you know, Skeng and Govana, two very talented artists, don't get twisted. Govana, crazy talented, crazy creative, just crazy. Skeng, you know Skeng is the new artist from the block, where the crazy numbers, you know what I'm saying? Incredibly talented and incredibly creative as well, so this combination really is dope. I'm ready to see what's going on, and so I'm gonna do it by track. But yeah man, this is 10 times Gvnman Spaniard. Yeah, all of the vibes no longer guys, we're jumping right on the track. Let's get it.
Yo, Buddha tell him more money. I always remember so slow money is better than no money. What I'm saying, yo. No, I rock to that. Strike force this yes man. Yo.
I saw me step on the scene, I mean. Look how me clean, a lily whitey. I'ma do what the fuck, I'ma please, what you mean, yo. Who for them rap them like they made my gene. I take talk from man, I got a peace and none in a disturbance. Right now me feel like me are the new Shabba and certain talking to bring to the Daniana.
Man say, yeah, I don't feel like me are the new Shabba that wrong. Can I talk me I bring to the Dan? I don't be myself, you know. Skeng? Man, keep coming from all I man to us have this vibe, this experience, this all of these songs. I'm starting to see wow. I've always, bro, the man is from Spanish Town. I mean, I always wonder why Skeng beat them sound like that. All of the man song them have this Spanish tone. All of them, the rhythms that Skeng been on have this Hispanic feel to it. I always have this Hispanic guitar in the background. Y'all ever notice that? And he's from Spanish Town. And you know, song named Gvnman Spaniard. Go ahead and check out all the songs that, every song that Skeng dropped. All of them have this Spanish feel to it, bro. And I've been wondering, I've been hearing it. I'm like, yo, what is that sound? That little, it's not directly on the beat, it's always sprinkled in the background. Even this beat, listen to it, if it don't sound like some, like a Hispanic, like Spanish music, you hear the Spanish guitar or something.
You know, so we a lead out, yeah. Be a rival, but shoot past them in my skyline. You know, see the heights, yeah. Heights from my rocks. All of my gal, them fully intact. Old Gvnman Spaniard. Execution style with my job.
Yeah, hearing it, that little Spanish feel, and all of the songs them have that little Spanish feel to it. Everyone, even the one in Japan in London, and even one in Japan in Canada, and everyone, even it was street cred. If you go and listen to all of them songs have that. I don't know if he's doing it on purpose, but if he is, he's a genius. If he's not doing it on purpose, it's like he's still a genius because all his life just that Spanish story, that all them songs on that little Spanish feel to it. That's really creative and really dope. Skeng, big up yourself.
Head a bounce all boat when the done pass. I sling down father but run the asphalt and we never have to talk.
Yo, we niggas can't get no pussy from these bitches. She love her ex-convict, killer established, the black neck back chick. Mad enough for putty face and neck back.
Easy, we niggas not get from the bitch. Come on,
French language, you make you woozy that. What pussy clad from Babylon to Bushy Park.
French language, we make the Uzi talk. Pussy clad from Bushy Park.
Run the pussy fast, fully bad and fully dark. Skeng music here,
Me tell her don't play with Govana, you know that. I'm tuning now here. Come in, I pull up the party, man. Real Govana.
would you make you woozy that? What pussy clap from Babylon to Bushy Park? Get a
I don't know about Bushy Park. I don't know about Clarendon, but I might place that. I don't know about Bushy Park. Yeah. Govana big up.
run the pussy fast, fully bad and fully dark. Skeng music here, lock down out a boulevard where the bomber should be cross.
Them nanga since I eat it, I want to them. Harati man wanana head, you know friend. I some man the whole of them, no all of them. There's so much have upon them, and there's some murder all of them.
Come on, bro. I'm loving dancehall right now, bro. Come on, man.
My style and different, I go hard to follow them. My college shut a mierda and go tell the feds. Me outside.
College at the man and go tell the face.
We did couple killer, we did it for my head. What the fuck, the whole of them. So we all lead out, yeah. Be a rival. Shoot past them in the skyline. In the city, ice from my rocks.
Yo, brother, we can't get tired of brother tune now. We can't get tired of tune them, brother. You keep doing your thing, keep them coming.
All of my gal them fully intact. Gold Gvnman Spaniard. Execution style with no job yard. Head a bounce all bout when they done pass. A Skeng and father bad run the asphalt. And me never have to talk.
Skeng a lead, yeah, me feel bro.
Yo. Talk to them.
Spain town, every scheme loud. Youth stay winning level from the cheat code. Rocky them a rocky place in a beast mode. Fuck you up and done. We kick out rifle and hook you up.
Fuck you up and done.
Man gun. What I'm saying? We love Roman gun. Hey girl, wanna fuck and come cut and done. You motherfuckers damn.
You know see so we all lead out, yeah.
Who like Roman gun? Girl, you cut and done.
Be a rival, shoot past them in the skyline. In the city, ice from my rocks. All of my gal them fully intact. Gold Gvnman Spaniard. Execution style with no job yard. Head a bounce all bout when they done pass. A Skeng and father bad run the asphalt. And me never have to talk. I nobody be concerned. You say the wrong word, you get head burst. You need a new word, I should have done red. I make the green tips spark like lantern. And now we converse, 23 nerds. Some stepping in your face, I can't revert. 30 man stand firm, head a one word. And I be a badness anywhere my turn. So we all lead out, yeah. Be a rival, shoot past them in the skyline. In the city, ice from my rocks. All of my gal them fully intact. Gold Gvnman Spaniard. Execution style with no job yard.
Man, tune like the hook are bad, the vibes bad, tune bad, artist them bad, lyrics bad, video bad. I'm telling you, bad.
Head a bounce all bout when they done pass. A Skeng and father bad run the asphalt. And me never have to talk.
Easy. DJ Chore, card, mad. Yeah, man. Big tune. Skeng, Govana, big up on yourself, wanna do a thing. Gvnman Spaniard, dope tune, real dope chat. Keep them coming, keep the bangers coming. You already know. Yeah, man, Govana, but you can say you're real pro. You see me, I give a dog a chance, and when I take use of it, I make use of the opportunity and chance, and I use it and ride with all to the top. Govana, big up yourself, man. Yeah, man, you don't know things, say. Real dope tool, really dope artists, really creative artists, really talented artists, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, I really enjoy that track. Really, to me, that is a dope track, really banging to me. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section, guys. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what your favorite part was the video, lyrics, beat, melody, choice of words. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, let me know what's your favorite part. Definitely comment in the section below. And definitely go show the artist some love and support them. Gvnman, you already know I do love and support. I help our artists and our music and our culture grow. You know what I'm saying? And man, should have talk about support them look at Gvnman and let them know what's your favorite part. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I definitely know what you want to see me react to next, and I definitely get it done. Send me content, reactions, whether it's music, videos, comedies, whatever it is, and I'll get it done. Just send it over and we will take care of it, take a look at it, have it uploaded, keep y'all entertained. Y'all already know what time it is, but yeah, man, definitely smash the like button on my video so you can help me get in the YouTube algorithm, help our videos get out there, help my channel grow, help the family get better, get bigger and better content over there. You already know. Yeah, man, guys, I really enjoyed that one. That was Skeng and Govana, Gvnman Spaniard, dope shot, dope visuals, but that one was a banger. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Drop the emojis. You already know, let me know where you are watching from. Drop your flags, the name of your country, city, wherever it is. You already know, let's connect in the comment section. Let's chop it up. Let's start talking about music, get this conversation going, and get our family going. You know what I'm saying? Moving. You already know what time it is. It's your boy Jam Disco. I was saying that I hit and smash it. Banger. See you next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.